Alright, so we are in the modify panel of AutoCAD. So far we have completed some of the tools in the modify panel. Let's see what trim tool is, and inside trim you can see there is another option called extend. So both of these tools are, let's say, opposite of each other. So trim basically cuts or trims the profile between two joints, you can say two objects, whatever you can call it. So let's see how we can utilize the trim command, and we can give the openings for our doors and windows in our floor plan. So let's activate the trim command. You can also type in TR and press enter to activate it. Now to activate it, yeah, so it's activated now. If you want to uh, the trick over here is you have to select press enter once more time, so you will see select object to trim or shift select to extend. So uh, I want to trim it, so I will just drag it like this, drag it like this. So let's say you don't want to drag it, you can come to each line and do individually also. It's up to you, both the options are valid. So let's say I want to drag it, I want to drag it, I want to drag it. So that's it. That's it with the trim. Let's see if we can trim between. Okay, we cannot trim this one. Right, no problem. So we have done our openings for doors and windows in our floor plan. Let's see uh, what extend tool is. So to exit the trim command, just press escape, and let's see what trim command is. So if we come to trim and press the arrow just after adjacent to it, you can see there is extend command. So press enter to activate it, and then if you come to a line and click, it will extend it to the nearest object. So like this, see, you can basically extend your lines. Now as I have said that it's opposite of trim, so you're gonna you can do it inside trim also. So let's say delete this, trim this, and if I press shift and now come to my line, the extend command will be activated on its own. So it's already written select object or trim or shift select to extend, right? So both the options are very useful. In fact, the trim is most versatile tool in AutoCAD, you can say like that. And yeah, that's pretty much the trim and extend command in AutoCAD.